guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a compound clip on CapCut PC. So what that basically is that you kind of like merge all of your videos into one clip. I'm just going to add in some clips like right here, and I'm also going to add in like some video transitions as well. And I'm going to add in some filters to it and some effects as well. Let's see, which effect should I add? Maybe like the hazy one. You can add in anything, but I'm just going to add that on. And for instance, you want to like just have all of this into like one single clip. So again, select everything, then you're just going to right click on your mouse and then select create compound clip, or press Alt G on your keyboard as a shortcut, and it's going to be merged as one single clip. And that's how you can create a compound clip on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!